Hey, dude.
Dude, there's someone yesterday
Yeah?
asked about whether we were going to start this motor.
Yeah.
So,
It's not going to happen now if we're taking that off, is it?
no, I'm putting it back on.
Oh, you putting it back on?
Yeah, I want to fire it one last time before we strip it.
Okay.
To use the bits for...
Yeah, you've took the gearbox off, haven't you?
Yeah.
There's a gearbox over here. That needs a downgut clean and probably a recondition, because you've noticed that there's some play in it, you said.
Yeah, on the shaft.
On
Rotate the shaft, dude, and ask them if they can tell us if that means it's FUCKED.
Definitely movement there, dude.
Yeah. Does it go side to side?
It moves in all directions. I'm guessing if it's a bearing, it's probably worn out. Okay, I don't know, I've never looked inside a gearbox. Oh, I know it's oiled the cam. The crank, sorry. Stop it going rusty. Looks good now. Sweet. Oh, look, we've finished the lights. So we've got 2 there and 4 over there. And this is so much nicer in here now. We can see what we're doing. Ooh.
Yeah.
Spaghetti manifold, dude.
Oh yeah.
I like the way that the silver paint that we painted with lasted.
Yeah.
Yeah, it lasted all of like a day, was it?
It's really worth doing it.
It's really worth it, isn't it? Oh, and there's the block. We stuck it on the crane. Engine stone thing. So yeah, we're going to get this basically sealed up. So there's no rust going to start. What else did we do? Well, that's just the lighting we've done today, really. And we put that on there.
Also, you're sending some stickers out, aren't you?
Oh yeah, I've posted a few more stickers out. Don't forget, if you want any stickers, just I'll leave a link in the description and you can check it out.
Our merch.
Say bye, dude.
Bye, dude.
Dude, new parcel. I'm opening it. This is from pipercams.co.uk. Piper Cams. Ooh. Piper Cams.
Piper at the gates of dawn.
Oh.
See if there's an invoice in there, dude.
I think that's it there.
Oh.
What is this? This is cool, man.
Is that for our 2,000 horsepower Pinto engine build? What is that?
I don't know.
Well, I ordered it. I should know, shouldn't I?
Yeah. Well, I don't know what it is. I'm hoping you'll tell them what it is.
Where are you going?
I know what a cam is, but you've got some sticks to fight with as well.
What the hell? What are those for?
I'll put them out. Those are for later, for fun. I see it. Ooh. Ooh. I think that's everything out of it.
This is the keep her lit stick.
Mm. Oh. It's like Christmas.
Oh, dude, they've sent us a timing, a degree wheel. That helps us dial in things, I guess. You bolt that onto the crank pulley, I think.
And you
We
can.
might have to read the instructions on that bad boy.
Sweet. Well, that can go there then.
Show us the go fast stick.
I'm guessing that's it. Oh, it's got some weight in it.
So this is a BP 300 cam, and it's a rally profile. I think the power band's between 3 and 8,000 revs, dude. In other words, this will allow our engine to rev up to 8,000 revolutions. Do you remember when we were at the Rolling Road?
Yeah.
Do you remember how hard Kate revved then?
No.
I think she went to about 5,700 or 6,200.
Oh, so this is knocking it up another 2,000.
Yeah.
Wow. Can't get it out because it's got.
Yeah,
it's covered in
lube.
Lube. To keep it
So that's what you're looking at. You're looking at the shape of this profile here. I think.
These are the lobes.
Those are the lobes, dude. These are the things that lift the valves. So if you look at the length, the way this protrudes out of the main shaft,
Yeah.
that should be higher, bigger lump than the one on the original cam.
Right.
So this will lift the valves further and keep them up longer. Open this bad boy up because we'll be able to see that when you open the engine, the bonnet.
Okay.
That will be visible.
So is this the wheel that goes on the front?
Yeah.
Where you put the thing around?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, it's even got the name on it, Piper Cams. This hasn't got anything on it, so we can get this one out. Oh, look at that. Dude.
That looks mint, man. That looks mint, doesn't it?
Oh, man. It's got like a purple sort of colour to it.
Aubergine.
Aubergine, yes. Aubergine.
And here, I guess, we're going to have the... let's see if this has got single valve springs or double. You know our other engine, we had single valve springs, right? One valve spring per valve, right?
Yeah.
On some performance cams, you get double valve springs. And I'd be interested to know what these are. Those are the... I don't know, that's where the finger follower sits.
It sits on the top, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
They look long, man. Good.
They look good.
Yeah. Quick, come on. Is that heavier?
Bad saying.
What's in that bag?
Lifters.
Okay, these are the lifters. Finger followers, I think they're called. Finger followers, lifters, I don't know. Yeah, they've got super long pad they have.
Yeah.
Hang on, let me just zoom in. Yeah, they look nice, dude. Should be 8 of those, yeah?
Yep, there's 2 packs in there.
Good stuff. What's in
This
there?
is light.
Single valve springs. Well, that's not bad. That's good. Hopefully they'll be able to take the toll. Anyway, it's Piper Cams. They decide what goes in there.
Yeah.
So we'll put those in there. It's interesting that they can get these to rev to 8,000 RPM. Because you go really hard, they start apparently. It's called float. The spring hasn't got enough time to get back.
Go back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, we'll find out. Have we got instructions?
Yeah, I've got some
I'd like
instructions.
to read the instructions first.
Yeah, because you love reading instructions,
Installing
don't you?
cams in classic cars before attempting to start the engine for the first time. Fill the carburetor with petrol, prime oil. Yeah, basically, when we install this, we need to do it so that when we first fire the engine up, dude, she fires up immediately. Now, you'd think that's a no-brainer because everyone wants to do that, but it's important because if you don't, you run a risk of damaging the stick.
So you've got to make sure that the engine starts the first time you turn the key.
Yes, and it needs
How
to.
the hell are you going to do that?
Well, that's the thing, dude. You have to do it.
If you do everything right, it still might not do that.
Well, we'll see. And then you have to keep it at high RPM, I say high 2,000-3,000 RPM for about 20 minutes, dude, to bed that cam in. Okay?
Awesome.
So this is one of our Go Fast equipment that we bought.
Yeah.
By Piper Cams.
Piper Cams.
Yeah. There you go, guys. Just thought you'd like to see us unboxing some Go Fast Keep Her Lit items. Later.
Yeah.
Let's try that. Alright.
Okay.
So that goes there. As normal. Let's try that, dude.
I've noticed that this isn't going to start to move that way.
Okay.
So I'm going to try and hold this up. Like that.
Alright, dude.
Yep. Blimey. What the fun is that, dude? think it's out.
Yeah, I think it's probably out. Well, it works. So basically, that's the last time we're going to fire this baby, and we're going to pull some of the ancillaries to use on our new build. And the block is going to be, I don't know. I'd like to store it, Gav, because someday we might fancy doing something with it again.
Yeah.
But that's it, we're going to finish it now. So we've started the Pinto. Sorry we didn't do it yesterday, but we've done it today. Thanks, dude.